Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Chevrolet Traverse LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. It's got those sporty black wheels, beautiful condition. Continental tires all the way around, really nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Outstanding shape. It's got fog lights there on the bottom. Take a look at the upper lights. Look beautiful. Grill's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. The other headlamps also in beautiful condition. Lower lights in great shape. Very nice. Hood looks brand new. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Paint's in great shape. Super clean. Very nice. All right, taking a look at the front fender. Front fender on the driver's side looks good. Very nice condition, clean throughout, beautiful shape. Taking a look at the driver door. Driver door's in amazing condition. Looks super clean throughout, very nice condition. Glass is in great shape. Take a look at the moldings, look good. Mirrors in great shape, beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the rear door. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful shape, looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Does have a little blemish here on the paint there. Little scuffs there, that's it. And on this molding also. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Walking around the back here, hatch is in beautiful condition. Super nice. Glass looks good. Beautiful condition back here. Let's look at the lights close up. Lights are in beautiful shape. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice. LT package. This one has a power rear hatch. Had a little scratch here, has been touched up. Looks good, very nice condition. All right, now we're taking the corner panel on the passenger side. Beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Windshield's in beautiful shape, no chips, no scratches on it, looks super clean, really nice condition. Quick look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful shape, very nice. No dings, dents, or scratches on it, looks super clean. Really nice condition all the way through. Really great shape. Okay, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door panel on the driver's side. Looks amazing, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Check out the armrest, beautiful condition. All the controls, very nice. Rear power hatch controller right there, very nice. Driver's seat's in beautiful condition, take a look. Full power with lumbar. Full set of floor mats, rubber floor mats all the way through. Really in beautiful condition, very nice. Okay, we're looking at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition, looks super clean throughout. Look at that, really amazing shape. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Looks amazing. Full set of floor mats, rubber floor mats all the way through. Dashboard steering wheel is in amazing condition, very nice shape, super clean. Take a look at the rear door panel on this one. Beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Rear seat looks amazing, very nice. Beautiful condition. Full set of floor mats, all rubber, very nice. All right, let's take a look at the rear. Third row seat looks amazing, beautiful condition throughout, very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, looks amazing, super clean throughout, very nice. All right, let's take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition back here also, looks super nice. Full set of floor mats, rubber floor mats, very nice, original from GM. Very nice condition, look at those seats. Really beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and take a look at the third row here. Third row seat looks amazing, super clean throughout, look at that. Really beautiful condition all the way through. Very nice. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner's clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. And this one has vents here for the rear passengers. Really nice feature. Okay, we're going to start this baby up. Check out the key fob, lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch, original key. I'm going to set the key down right here. Because it's a push button start, we got to press the brake, push the button here. It should start right up. Super nice. Look at that. Starts up perfect. You can see all the gauges there. They go up and back down again. That means everything's fully functional. Super nice. We'll bring down the AC a little bit. It's a little loud for you guys can hear me clearly. All right, so let's take a look at the mileage on this one. This one has 40,716 miles. Cluster's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. RPMs, mile per hour. Fuel gauge, temperature gauge, very nice. Miles till empty. Shows you the compass there. And we're sitting in park. And also has a time there. Fantastic. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the steering wheel on this one. Steering wheel is leather wrapped. Very nice. Super nice. Really great condition. On the steering wheel, we have the controls here for the information center on top. So we go click through there so you can see the tire pressure sensors, the radio station it's on, facing south, phone connections. So pretty much that's the features for this. And then here's the cruise control on this side. Front and rear wiper controls here. This for the turning signals. Show you the turning signals are working perfect. And for the highlights, very nice. Automatic lights down here on the bottom with fog lights, super nice. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, very nice. Down below here is the rear power hatch controller. So if you're a shorter person, you can put it for 3/4. That way you can grab it. Or you can put max, which opens all the way to the top, or you can turn it off. All right, so dashboard's in beautiful condition, looks brand new. Look at that, looks amazing. Information center in the center looks beautiful. Automatic transmission. It has a couple modes here for the transmission. So it has snow and trailering. So let's just say here, if I move it over to snow, which is this one, it's going to show up here on your snow mode. And then if I go one more, see it's on snow mode now. I'm going to put it on trailer. It's going to tow something or whatever. Tow haul mode. So we'll put it back on normal. See, right now it's in tow haul mode. And turn it back this way. Goes back to snow, then goes back to normal. There you go. All right, fantastic. It's back in normal mode. Traction control, parking brake release, cup holders right there, little tray there to store stuff, automatic transmission. It's got a little power plug there, USBs and auxiliary. Has heated seats for the front passengers here. Passenger and driver in the front, heated seats, nice feature. Climate control AC, so you can have one temperature on the passenger side, one temperature on the driver's side. Check it out. See that? And then it has all the controls for the vents here. AC, you can sync it. Super nice. Check out the information center. Right now it's on the radio, so let's look at all the. You could have AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. Those are the sources available. Go back to home. You can see your audio controls. That's where we're at now. Phone controls. There's no phone connected now, but if you did, you would have a list of phones there that you have paired. Wi-Fi settings. Super nice. Users. You can set up users. That way you can remember the radio stations and the features for the person. Settings. Those are the app settings right there in the center. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, the climate, my Chevrolet, look at that. Okay, then we got the vehicle, rear seat reminder, climate control. Let's take a look there. So this one has the change lane alert, parking assist, and rear backup camera with symbols, and rear cross traffic. That's super cool. So it's got a lot of features, a lot of safety features. Okay, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, the apps. You go this way, you can look at the climate. It also has rear controls and stuff in case you want to control the rear from here, which is super nice. Alexa, you can set that up. Chevrolet Maps, camera. I'll show you the rear camera there. You can set up for trailering, however you'd like. So, nice thing about it has buttons down here, so you can go back to home through there also. That way you don't touch the screen. So that's super nice. So on apps here, this works like a navigation system. If you set it up, you should be able to subscribe to them and have navigation. So update maps. So right now we can't update it, but you can download it and then pretty much like having navigation. So that's really nice. All right, so let's take a look here. We got controls back here for the AC. Check it out back here. Super nice. You can put it on automatic. Control the rear A from there. That's really nice. Up above here we have garage door openers. You can program there. OnStar. You got your 2 courtesy lights here in the front. Then we've got your vanity mirrors with LEDs for the driver and passenger. Look at that. That's super nice. That's pretty much it on the interior here. It's got a large storage there in the center. Very nice. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Beautiful condition all the way through. Really nice. Beautiful shape. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. We have it in drive already. Let's go and take it for a spin. 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. It's got about 40,000 miles in it. Drives really nice. Super quick. Good power. So smooth. 6-cylinder engine, a lot of power. All right, we're coming up on a stop sign here. We're going to brake. Stops perfect. Feels really good. Okay, here we go. Continue. Drives amazing. Okay. Drives super nice. Very quick. Coming up on another stop sign here. Stops on a dime. Feels good. Okay. Shifts really good. Super nice. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and find a little parking space here and check out our backup camera, and then that will conclude our test drive. Here we go. Let's find a little spot here. I'm going to put it in reverse. Fantastic. This one has little lines here to show you which way you're going to roll back. Check that out. That is such a nice feature. And we straighten it back up here. There you go. Now this one has parking sensors in the back. Right there, they just went off a minute ago. But there's nothing back there, so that's why it turned right off. But I'm going to go ahead and find something really quick to show you what the parking sensors look like. So we'll just find a little, just back up here. So you can see when you back up close to the bushes, it gets a little, it beeps and lets you know what's going on. There you go, we're backing up, getting close to those bushes. As we do, should give us a warning right there. And then on the actual cluster here, it shows you what you're getting close to. See that? So it shows you what you're getting close to, and then on top of that, it alerts you here, and it's also beeping. Okay, pretty much that's our test drive. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the cargo area, take a look at the tires, and under the hood. We'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and test out the rear hatch, and we're gonna take a look at the cargo area. Check out the key fob, lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch. So we're gonna press power hatch twice. Opens right up. Let's take a look here. Super nice. It's got a map back here for the cargo area. Super nice. Regular Chevrolet. Rug on the bottom looks brand new. All right, let's take a look beneath here. It's got a little storage area. Put your stuff down there, really nice. Beneath that, that's where the spare tire is. Super nice condition, look at that. Okay, it's got a little power jack there if you want to tailgate out of this one. Back of the seats look beautiful, beautiful condition. Now these seats fold forward here. You can pull this here and the seats fold forward. A little more storage. Really amazing shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Now let's go ahead and close the door here. Very nice. Fully functional. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape all the way through. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape on this one. Bottom of the hood looks good. Really amazing shape. Super clean. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side. Amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Continental tire. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the Continental tire here in the rear driver's side. Tire has a lot of tread on there. Looks very good. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape all the way through. Amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in great shape. Look at that. A lot of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's take a closer look. Really amazing shape. Looks super nice. Really amazing condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire's in beautiful shape. Look at the tire tread on this one. Looks amazing. Very nice. Continental tire. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice shape all the way through. Amazing condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2021 Chevrolet Traverse LT package. It's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.